So I've been reading on the Kia EV6 forums that people are seeing low coolant. So I decided, you know what, I should double check mine. I barely ever go to the dealer, so I'm gonna check mine. And lo and behold, when I checked it, mine is low. It's decently under the minimum line. So I'm gonna show you what it is. We're gonna go ahead and refill it today, but this is just a quick announcement that you should go check yours just in case, have the dealership top it off, or you could just go buy it like I did and just do it yourself very quickly. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's go. So going up to the car, here you'll see this pink fluid in this reservoir right here on the left of your frunk. Now, from what I understand about cooling systems, this should be a closed system. So really you shouldn't be seeing any loss of coolant. I don't know why I'm seeing it. I don't know why people are seeing it. I don't really see a leak. I don't have any coolant anywhere in my garage, and I don't really ever see any fluids under the car unless it's condensation from the air conditioner. So I'm not 100% positive where this fluid is actually going, but it's low enough for me to say I gotta fill it up. So today we're going to be using the Kia pink coolant. I'll put the part number in the description below, but this was $38 at the dealership. I'm sure I could buy another pink coolant that's equivalent and it might save me $10, $15, but I barely ever spend money on maintaining this thing, so it doesn't really bother me. It looks like this is a concentrate, so it does say 50-50 mix of water and the coolant. So I ended up buying some distilled water, and I have my pitcher and I have my funnel to go ahead and do this. So we are going to mix just about half and half. I'm going to put a couple cups into this pitcher of the coolant and then a couple cups of the distilled water, and we're just going to pour it in there until it's well, I guess close to the max. So to open this, you actually turn it clockwise and it'll kind of click, and then you should be able to just twist it off. It's not counterclockwise. You'll hear a little bit of air come out, and then my funnel. Needed very little. So let me siphon this. Okay, so I've got it right under the max line right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and close it. You hear a click, and it's done. That should be good. I don't see any other issues. So I'm also gonna change the windshield wipers, and you can't really do that without putting the car in service mode because the wipers, the hood's in the way, so the wipers have to pull out a little bit. So from what I heard you do is you just tap this twice, power it off, and then hold the windshield stock up, and sorry, the sun, and what you'll see is these will just pop up. So now they should be easy to change. So I just ended up buying these Rain-X Latitude, so they're pretty middle grade. I think you can go a little bit nicer or you can go cheaper, but these seem to do the trick for me for where I live in Texas. So we're going to go ahead and install these. It's a 16 and a 21, and these are really easy to install. So right here, there's a little clip, and all you gotta do is push it down and yank this out, and it just slides out. So on these Rain-X ones, they're pretty big cartridges on there. So you basically just pop this clip right there up, and so yeah, push it up, snaps, and there you go. There you have it. Two very basic, easy things to do on your Kia EV6. Check your coolant, top it off if needed, and also replace your windshield wipers. Lots of videos out there. Thanks for checking this one out. Thanks. See you guys next time.